Do you know the correct way to brush your teeth? In the quest for a radiant smile, brushing your teeth is more than just applying toothpaste and scrubbing away. It's a vital ritual that safeguards your oral health and wards off dental problems. Stay tuned to find out the right technique to keep your pearly whites healthy. Before we begin, it's important to ensure we have the right tools at our disposal. A soft bristled toothbrush is gentle on gums, fluoride toothpaste to fight off decay, and a timer to ensure 2 full minutes of brushing. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to dive into the brushing process. Here's how you can brush your teeth the right way. First, grab your toothbrush and run it under a tap. You want to get it wet, but not soaking. Next, squeeze out a pea-sized amount of toothpaste onto the bristles. Now it's time to get brushing. Remember, we're not scrubbing a dirty dish here. Be gentle. Use a circular motion to brush your teeth. Aim for 2 minutes of brushing time. Make sure you're hitting all surfaces, the fronts, the backs, and don't forget those chewing surfaces. After 2 minutes, spit out the toothpaste. Do not swallow it. We're not done yet. Rinse your mouth with water to remove any leftover toothpaste or debris. Give your toothbrush a good rinse too, and keep it upright to air dry. And there you have it. Your teeth are now clean and healthy. Let's recap the key points. Proper oral hygiene is essential in combating tooth decay. The right tools. A soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste play a significant role. Recall the brushing method. A 45-degree angle to the gums, gentle back and forth strokes, brushing all surfaces of the teeth. Don't forget the tongue. Remember, brushing your teeth properly is the first step to a healthy smile. Make it a part of your daily routine. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.